Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know your Windows build and exact NVIDIA GPU so drivers match. Once done, try opening NVIDIA Control Panel from Start or the System tray. If it's missing, right-click the desktop to check for the context menu entry. Next, open Services and restart NVIDIA Display Container, LS, and Dependent Services. This forces the control panel to re-register. Make sure you run them as an admin. These steps address registration and permission issues before deeper fixes. Now perform a clean driver cycle to remove corrupted control panel files. Reboot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller to remove all NVIDIA drivers and settings. After reboot, install the latest GeForce Game Ready or Studio driver from NVIDIA, choose Custom Install, and check Clean Install. If the control panel still lacks display options, open Registry Editor and verify NVIDIA Control Panel keys under HKLM/software and HKCU. Repair missing and finish by launching NVC Plui. EXE directly or running NVIDIA Control Panel as administrator to ensure it populates display options. If you use the Microsoft Store version, reinstall that app to refresh its components. Once done, test different outputs and resolutions to confirm options reappear. If problems persist, roll back the GPU driver to the previous version or use a Windows System restore point. These revert recent changes that might break the control panel. A key troubleshooting tip: check Windows Update and optional driver updates. Sometimes Microsoft replaces drivers unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.